My name is Henry Cannon, and Perry Windle is my lawyer, and thanks to him, I've gotten a lot further along than I normally would have. I got hurt, and it was back in July, and it wasn't until September that I contacted him. I'd gone through several other law firms that kept giving me the runaround. When I called him, he was one of the few individuals that actually came to where I lived to go over what was happening to me and have me fill out medical release forms. No other two firms I talked with would do that. I thought that was pretty impressive. Not only that, he followed up. He's constantly been keeping me in the loop as far as my progress. And my sister was the one that suggested that I contact a lawyer because she said, you should get paid for being out of work because this is a workman's comp related claim. And I put it off, and then finally I called. And then when I got a hold of him, I was impressed at the fact that he got a hold of me as quick as he did, answered all my questions. He's representing me at this time, and out of all the law firms in Knoxville, I think he's pretty premier because he says what he does and does what he says. Most companies I've talked with have put me through changes to do what he's done naturally and easy for me. And I appreciate him for that. He was the one that got a hold of my case manager because I didn't know how long it would be before I would get any kind of residual money because I'd been out of work since July, and he just said, just let him do his job and he'll let me know forward progress, which he has done. And I have been getting checks weekly, not amount much, but it's better than the nothing I was getting prior to me getting a hold of Mr. Windle. He's been very, very instrumental in guiding me in the areas I need to go to make sure he's got my case manager, goes to all my appointments, follow up with him, he follows up with me, and I call it a perfect circle. I'm in the phase now where I'm in the process of getting ready to have an operation, and I sincerely hope that to this juncture, Mr. Windle was very instrumental in orchestrating everything that has happened as far as my MRIs, my CAT scans, keeping up with my case manager on my forward progress. I couldn't ask for a better individual with his experience and knowledge to generate the positive flow of things the way he has to this juncture. And bar none, I'm very, very impressed with him, and I've had a couple of friends of mine that gave me his name a while back when I had some other legal happenings, and I did not contact him until recently. And I appreciate him taking his time. I didn't know what kind of busy schedule he had, but he took time out to take care of me personally, and that's what you don't find in this day and age. Interpersonal relationships are very, very important. And he's one of the individuals that I put an A+ by his name.